So what's your name? Where are you based out of? And what coding sector did you join the program to be competitive for?
Okay, so yeah, my name is Alfred. I'm based out of Toronto. Initially, I was a software engineer coming in, and I wanted to make a pivot and transition to data engineering.
Okay, great, great. And you joined the program recently. Um, what have you been able to achieve in these past 2 months?
A lot of structure. I think that was the main takeaway from the program. Is just I knew there were a lot of things I had to pick up, but when you're trying to kind of pivot and you're feeling a little lost, every technology seems like it's the most important one. So you're constantly swapping between all these different things and you feel like you should have to learn all at once. But with the program specifically, it was very structured in the sense where it's like, hey, you know what, let's start working on this and we'll go to this, progress slowly, and it all came together in the end.
Okay, great, great. And it came together in the end. What was the end result for you?
I managed to land my first data engineering job. So that was nice. I mean, I'm happy to have made this transition over. I enjoyed my time in software engineering, but I think uh, I'd be a lot happier in this position. So yeah, that's where I ended up. I ended up with a full-time job, and so it's starting it in 3 days.
Okay, great. Yeah, that's super exciting, super exciting. Are you comfortable with sharing the salary?
Yeah. So the starting salary is 80K. So that'll be where I'm at. But they've already kind of told me I have a lot of room to grow. So hoping to be able to boost that up pretty quick.
Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, this never gets old. Like we've worked with a few clients now, and we've helped them land roles, and never gets old when people like tell us that they were able to land a job. So that's super exciting for you. Um, okay, and what were your biggest struggles before, and what made you even decide to join this job placement mentorship?
I believe it was the discipline in a sense. Um, Kind of having someone in your corner, someone kind of believing you and knowing that like, yeah, you have the potential, like you can very much make this transition. It's not an impossible task. Um, and I think that was another huge thing that the program offered is just having someone kind of be on top of you and just knowing like, look, we gotta get this done. Like, here's how we can help you the best way we can. And yeah, just that discipline was something I not having a plan and not having discipline is often a recipe for disaster. And both those were tackled within this program.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Um, and how did you feel about your coding skills before you joined? And then how do you feel about your skills now?
I felt I was behind the pack by a significant margin initially joining. And I feel like everyone feels that way to an extent.
Mhm.
Um, but now I think one of the biggest takeaways I think for the program is how much technical knowledge, or I guess just kind of knowing like background information, like knowing what medallion architecture is, knowing how data warehouses are, uh, like how they differentiate between data lakes, data warehouses, lake houses, all that type of databases and all that stuff. I think in that regard, I feel much more confident. And I think having that confidence helped significantly in the interview that I had for applying for this job I have now. So I think that in terms of coding, I think I feel much more accomplished because I've had a lot more practice. But I think there's definitely still like a hunger to keep improving.
Mhm. I agree. I feel like you can learn a lot, but computer science and software engineering, data engineering, this whole coding sector, all the coding sectors, it requires a never ending learning cycle. Like it's something you'll be learning throughout all of your years in a career. And that's why I like computer science so much. It's because at the end of the day, it's not something that you just reach to the ceiling and then you've learned everything you need to know. No, you keep learning. You find more and more optimal ways to do certain things, and it's a grind that basically never stops, and it's pretty much very fulfilling in that sense.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to let Asa ask you some questions. She has some questions to ask you. Yeah, go, all yours, Asa.
Yeah, couldn't agree more. So Alfred, what do you feel were the key benefits, honestly, for joining the job placement program for you?
Being able to focus my search on like how I should improve was a big one.
Mhm.
And I think in another sense, almost the reassurance that, you know, you'll, this will work, I guess. I think both of you gave me a lot of reassurance that, you know what, like if we follow the plan, we stick to it, we'll get to the end and we'll reach our goal. And I think that gave me a lot more comfort in proceeding as opposed to going out on my own and not really knowing if it's going to work out or not. But I think both of you gave me a lot of comfort knowing that, you know, we've done this before. Don't worry about it. We'll get you through it.
That's awesome. And I know that you spoke to the fact that you recently, landed not only an offer but a role. How did you feel about the interview prep going into your interview?
Phenomenal, phenomenal. I think that's probably my favorite part of the program. To be honest, it's just it's intimidating. The interviewing in itself is it's a skill being able to be able to give a good interview, and we didn't have a lot of time, to be honest. The offer just kind of came in and was like, you have 3 days. We're like, okay. But even those 3 days, I felt very confident going in. I think drilling a lot of the questions and the environments and the atmosphere of how it would feel like was like, I felt very well prepared.
That's awesome, Alfred. Imagine that someone like already knew about the program. What would you recommend towards them? Like, what would you tell them about the program?
Just go for it. I think, I mean, that sounds like such cliche advice, but ultimately, I feel like that's what I would tell them. It's like, look, you know what? Everyone's gonna have uncertainties. It's gonna be like, oh, let's work out, you know, oh, like, you know, it's a lot of money, whatever insecurities or whatever negative thoughts, I guess, you have about what could potentially happen. I would just suggest just go for it. If you've been stumbling along, if you've been trying to work your way through and be like, oh, well, I could do it on my own, and you know, well, maybe I should do it on my own. I think what got me through it is knowing that I've tried this for a long time. And, you know, if you ever heard the quote, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting like shit to change.
Yeah.
I felt like I needed to change, and I think that's what convinced me to kind of to start the program with you guys.
Yeah, that's awesome. That basically answers one of the next questions that I have for you. But another, I guess, follow-up / counter would be like, imagine someone who's already joined. What is it that they should focus on?
Focus on getting the work done. Obviously, I think sticking to the program will get you through it. But I think whatever you learn, try to apply it throughout your life, and not even in the sense where it's like, oh, you have to incorporate software engineering to every aspect of your life, but just whatever you're going to be learning new concepts every week. So in order to kind of keep that solidified in your mind, I would suggest relate it to other aspects of your life. If you're into martial arts and MMA, just, you know, relate it to that. If you're into baking, relate it to that. Like, so find a way to kind of stick it in your head, because you're going to be going pretty fast. So I think my advice would be, if you're in the program, find a way to have the information stick and solidify. And I found the best way to do that is to relate to what you know.
Awesome. Thank you, Alfred.
Well, that's all the questions that we had for you. Thank you so much for joining in on the program. You were an amazing client to work with. I always enjoyed our weekly calls that we had, and yeah, you have a very bright future going on. So can't wait to see where you end up getting placed. So yeah, stay in touch and and everything of that sorts, because I want to see where to go.
Absolutely. Will do.
Okay.
Same here.
Yeah.